Alright, watch. Put the bird down. Well, after she finishes scratching, of course. Oh, stretchy wingy. Here, baby. Get down for just a second. Come on. Get down. Thank you. Well, first of all, thank you for pooping on my pillow. I'm recording this time, so you're gonna make a liar out of me, aren't you? Yeah. Any other time, I can't take 2 steps. But because I have pulled the phone out and I'm trying to catch it on camera, you don't want to be... There it is. Ah! Bird. Took a while.